Hi everyone, it's Danny from Weblinx again, and I'm here for the next part of our tutorial on how to install WordPress plugins. Now, after the following previous two videos, you should have a WordPress site set up, installed, and everything running correctly. Now, the next step is for me to show you how to install plugins. So we'll go ahead to his URL. Let's make that screen bigger. Go into your admin section /wp-admin. Sign into your blog. And then we're through to the dashboard page. Now, the page that we're concentrating on at the moment is going to be plugins. Now, immediately you'll come in with Askmate and Hello Dolly. Now, Askmate is a very useful plugin because it stops spam for your website, and it will need activating, but we'll activate it in just a moment. Now, Hello Dolly is something that we don't use and we never will use, so we instantly want to delete that. Now, when you ask to delete something or upload something, it will ask for your FTP details. So if you remember those details that we used with FileZilla, that is exactly the same ones that we're going to put in here. So I'm going to put in the IP or the web URL. I'm going to put in the username, and I'm going to put in the password. And that will delete this plugin from my host because I just don't really want it to be there. Right, now I'm going to show you how to add a plugin. So if we go to the add new section, and now we are going to release a list of the top 5 plugins that we think should be installed on a WordPress blog, and that's going to come in the next tutorial. But for now, I'm going to do one called the All-in-One SEO Pack. Now, when you're searching plugins, just type in All-in-One SEO, and that will bring in a list of the all-in-one SEOs that you think you should be having. Now, we go for this one. It's the All-in-One SEO Pack. And you click on install, it'll say, do you want to install this plugin? Yes. Again, it's going to ask you for your FTP password. Eventually it will remember this, but for now you'll just have to keep putting it in. Download it, installing, and there we go. Activate that plugin. I'll take you back to that page. Now, when you activate this one, it will come up with a big red bar along the top, and that is because it needs enabling. So if you go to the admin page where it says, scroll down, enabled, date options, and then we're sorted for that. Now, sometimes WordPress can go wrong, and you will need to upload plugins in a different way. So what I'm actually going to go and do with this plugin is deleting it. I'm going to show you another way to do it. So we'll deactivate that, and I'm going to delete it. Now, if you remember, we've used FileZilla on a few occasions. We're going to do the same thing again, but what we're going to have to do first is actually get the plugin. So we're going to go and search for All-in-One SEO Pack WordPress. Then that should be the site where the plugin's downloadable. Yeah, All-in-One SEO Pack. Yes, I want to download that. I want to save the file. I want to show that. Open containing folder. Take it out. Now, before I can upload this, what I want to do is unpack it. So I'm going to call this one, or call this file plugins. And then I'm going to take that file that I've just downloaded, that raw file. If you remember, I use WinRAR. This is from a previous tutorial, and I'm going to extract that here. Then I've got my all-in-one SEO pack that's been unpacked. Now, there's a couple of different ways you can do this, but the best way to do it is, well, I'm just going to show you now. So if we open up FileZilla, right, we'll sign in again, I'm using the IP address. Right, everything's gone in there. Now I'm going to look into public HTML. These are all my WordPress files. Now I'm looking where I'm going to put in the plugins, and now that's going to be in a section called WP content. So I'm going to go into WP content, and there it is, plugins. Go into that, and you'll see the Askimet's already in there, and there isn't another one because I deleted it. So now what I want to do is go into my plugins file. Remember, this side you want to be in desktop plugins. That's my only one. Select it, right click, and upload. Right, that's all uploaded now. So again, I'm going to put this to one side, and I'm going to come back to my WordPress. Now, if I go to plugins, if that page is refreshed, there you go. All in one SEO pack installed through FTP. Now that's only for doing if you can't do it through WordPress, which sometimes does happen. I'll just add another quick one just to show you. Oh, I'm doing it. So I'll add in one called Google XML Sitemaps. Google XML Sitemaps come straight up. Again, like I said, this is going to install. You can either install this through FTP or you can do it through WordPress. Either way it's completely up to you. So put my password in. Activate plugin. When the plugins are installed, you will see them going into different places on the left hand side. Most of them do go into settings. So if I go into settings, look, if I've got my XML sitemap there, and I've got my all-in-one SEO. Now, in my next tutorial, I'm going to be telling you the top 5 WordPress plugins that we believe that should be installed onto a blog, and I'm also going to show you what they do, how they work, and what's the best settings for them. So sign up to our channel, and hope you have a good day. Bye.